Okay, now I want to give you a little lesson here. All right, now you see this ball joint, you see rivets. As you notice, they're not screws. These are originals, riveted ball joints. Okay, and the reason I say that is because these are riveted. You have to grind these heads off and drift the pins out to change this ball joint. If you ever pull your stuff apart and you see a ball joint that's got bolts in it, you know, hex head bolts in it, you know it's been replaced. The other thing is, all the new parts manufacturers, for the cheap ones, they will not have a grease cert. The reason this ball joint lasted as long as it did is because it was greasable. And I've taken one of the ungreasable ones apart. It's about a third full of grease. It is designed to fail over time. This would not have lasted as long as it did if it wasn't greasable. All right. So anytime I replace them, I'll spend the extra money to get an upper ball joint that's greasable. That way it will last beyond as long as I'm going to live. Okay. Bottom U joints usually always have greasable zerts in the bottom of them, but this is the one. Would you like to be part of something special? Uncle Buck's Garage now has memberships, and that's a open opportunity to be behind the scenes, to get information nobody else gets to see, to see things, possibly get to see things before anybody else sees them, things like that. If you would like that opportunity, there's a link down below for the memberships for Uncle Buck's Garage. Please sign up. And in the store, when you go in the store, the picture will look like this. But you open the box, which I highly recommend when you're buying suspension parts, take your parts with you to make sure they're exactly right, because the picture on the screen may not be the part that you get. Because if I go to O'Reilly's right now and I ask for an upper ball joint for a square body Chevy, say a 73 through an 87, it'll show this picture with the grease cert in it. But 4 different part numbers, 4 different boxes, pull them all out, no grease cert. And there are 2 pieces where this is like a one-piece design. They're made with this plate, and you flip it over, and there's a little metal plate that gets sandwiched in between the new bolts, right? And you can take it apart, and it'll only be about a third way full of grease. It's absolutely just, it's designed to make you have to come back and get more. All right, so just remember, grease cert. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.